Sometime later, Yuri Gagarin reported again. Feeling well. I'm in good spirits. I'm continuing with the flight. Everything is going well. The machine is working normally. These laconic messages, full of courage and confidence, which already today belong to history, were recorded on tape. Here is this historic recording. Here is the voice of the world's first astronaut, Yuri Gagarin, from aboard the Soviet spaceship Vostok.
Force hell, time filled, gonna make our brand new thrills. Newsflash, use the grind, make a modern day Frankenstein. When you're on the Catherine, self-fulfilling prophecy. After night, to kill some time, gonna write tomorrow's headline. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. Mom and Dad, they watch the news. All the stories of the men in blue. Wouldn't show it if it wasn't true. Got them shaking in their shoes. Newsflash, use the grind. Make a modern day Frankenstein. Out tonight to kill some time. Gonna write tomorrow's headline. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside. You can talk around the world by satellite, but you can't leave home. You gotta stay inside.